Now, incidentally, talking about insurance, I'm going to walk you back out here, talk just briefly, a little bit more about the couch that used to be here that's not here anymore. Okay, you remember the couch that was here. Okay, now what I have to do in order to get a new couch, the guy who gave me the cost for cleaning the entire condo and everything, I'm going to have him give me a cost as if the couch was still here and if he was going to clean it, along with his written statement that he could not guarantee that was going to get the smell out. That way I can take that, include it with the insurance, include the receipt of the new couch on the insurance claim so that the insurance adjuster does not have any question, no ifs, ands, or buts. And so he understands why I replaced the couch rather than him second guessing. Well, why didn't they just clean that? We're not going to pay for that. And that goes for anything else. Your bedding, you know, you get them to give you an estimate of the cleaning, and if they say they cannot guarantee 100%, and if you know it's going through an insurance company, have them write that down on the estimate. And then all of a sudden you have a paper trail and you have paperwork stating that they cannot 100% guarantee the smell and the tar and the nicotine smell coming out of all of your bedding. That's why you got new bedding, and then you're going to be able to have a very good chance of the insurance company agreeing to go ahead and pay for all your new bedding. Worst case scenario, if you have an owner, you're going through an insurance company and you're going through his owner, his company's insurance, you make sure with him, hey, you know what I'm doing over here. You show him all the estimate of everything. You talk to him. You tell him that, hey, I'm going to replace the bedding. If your insurance company doesn't include it, I want your word that you're going to cover that. Get that verbal with him in writing, handshake, whatever, so that there's no ifs, ands, or buts. When you go to replace all this, you don't get a nice big surprise thinking you're going to have everything covered, and all of a sudden you find out your $1,200 to $1,500 bedding for your 3 beds or 2 beds and your hide-a-bed aren't covered. Your new couch isn't covered. The new coverings on your seats aren't covered. You know, stuff like that. So there's another tip for you. Don't forget, be thorough.